The VETTA TECH GTX is dedicated to the active outdoor enthusiast looking for maximum performance in a lightweight and versatile boot. It has a new last that combines a wrapped fit with enough forefoot volume to ensure maximum comfort without sacrificing precision even on the most technical routes. The suede leather upper features ultralight e-foam inserts on the toe box and heel area for added protection. E-foam is an innovative material that guarantees not only excellent mechanical performance, but also considerable elasticity and flexibility, and does not contain pollutants such as DMF or PVC. The GORE-TEX extended comfort membrane delivers optimized climate comfort in warmer conditions and during higher activity levels. Heel lock fixes the heel in the heel pocket and helps prevent heel slip. The lace-to-toe closure offers better climbing performance and a more customized fit. The eco-friendly Ortholite ultralight footbed features a combined structure, a rigid and stable compound in the heel area and an ultralight soft cushioning compound in the central forefoot area. The FrameFlex midsole offers the appropriate blend of stability and stiffness to tackle challenging routes in total comfort. The Michelin off-road double compound outsole provides improved toe grip and greater traction underfoot. The tread design with fiber light inserts offers lightness, flexibility and traction for excellent performance in all situations. A half pair in size 8 weighs 540 grams. Ideal for via ferrata, technical approach and alpine trekking on mixed terrain, rock or scree, these boots are available in both men's and women's specific versions. The Rambler 2.0 GTX is an extremely versatile and lightweight boot for backpacking and mixed mountaineering. The suede leather and mesh upper features heel lock technology to fix the heel in the heel pocket and help prevent blisters, as well as a GORE-TEX performance comfort membrane for all-season comfort and weather protection. The eco-friendly Ortholite X40 hybrid footbed provides instant comfort thanks to its excellent moisture management properties and long-term cushioning. The bi-density microporous rubber midsole with PU heel insert provides cushioning and stability, while the Vibram Winkler EVO outsole features textured deep lugs for better grip on different terrains. A half pair in size 8 weighs 620 grams. Whether backpacking, on approaches or during alpine travel, the Rambler 2.0 GTX will become a favorite of the skilled consumer. Available in both men's and women's specific versions.